Java vs Python, a technical comparison for real-world use. Introduction. Java and Python are two of the most widely used programming languages in the world. Both are powerful, mature, and heavily used in production systems. However, they are designed with very different technical philosophies, and those differences matter when building real software. This video is not about which language is easier or more popular. It is about how Java and Python differ at a technical level, and where each one fits best in real-world systems. Language design philosophy. Java is a statically typed, compiled language designed for large, long-running systems. Its core philosophy focuses on predictability, explicit structure, and strong compile time checks. Java prioritizes correctness, maintainability, and performance consistency over speed of writing code. Python, on the other hand, is a dynamically typed, interpreted language designed for flexibility and rapid development. Its philosophy emphasizes simplicity, readability, and fast experimentation. Python optimizes for developer productivity rather than strict compile time guarantees. Typing system. Java uses static typing, which means variable types are defined at compile time. This allows many errors to be caught early and makes large codebases easier to reason about as they grow. Python uses dynamic typing, where variable types are resolved at runtime. This enables faster prototyping and more flexible code, but also shifts error detection from compile time to runtime. In small projects, this flexibility is helpful, but in large systems it requires strong discipline and testing practices. Execution model. Java code is compiled into bytecode and runs on the Java virtual machine. The JVM uses just-in-time compilation, advanced garbage collection, and runtime optimizations that make Java highly efficient for long-running, high-throughput applications. Python is interpreted line by line, which makes it slower in raw execution speed. However, Python compensates by integrating tightly with high-performance libraries written in C and C++, especially in data science and machine learning workloads. Performance characteristics. Java typically performs better in CPU-intensive and high concurrency systems. It is well suited for back-end services, distributed systems, and applications that must handle large volumes of traffic reliably. Python is slower at the language level but excels when used as a coordination layer over optimized native libraries. This is why Python dominates in AI, data science, automation, and scripting-heavy workloads. Concurrency and parallelism. Java has a mature concurrency model with threads, executors, asynchronous frameworks, and strong JVM-level optimizations. It is commonly used to build highly concurrent systems such as payment platforms, trading systems, and large-scale APIs. Python's global interpreter lock limits true parallel execution in a single process. As a result, Python relies more on multiprocessing, async frameworks, and external systems to scale concurrency effectively. Ecosystem and libraries. Java has a strong ecosystem for enterprise development, including frameworks like Spring, Hibernate, and Jakarta-E. These are designed for large teams, long-lived applications, and complex business logic. Python's ecosystem is strongest in data, AI, automation, and scripting. Libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and FastAPI make Python extremely powerful for analytics and rapid backend development. Typical use cases. Java is commonly used for enterprise backends, financial systems, large-scale APIs, distributed platforms, and Android applications. It excels where reliability, performance, and long-term maintenance are critical. Python is widely used for machine learning, data science, automation, DevOps scripting, back-end services, and rapid prototyping. It shines where flexibility and speed of development matter most. Choosing between Java and Python. From a technical perspective, Java is a better choice when building large, performance-critical systems that need strong structure and long-term stability. Python is a better choice when solving data-driven problems, building AI systems, automating workflows, or rapidly experimenting with new ideas. In practice, many real-world systems use both languages together, each where it performs best. Closing perspective: Java and Python are not competitors in the traditional sense. They solve different technical problems and often complement each other in modern architectures. The best engineers are not defined by the language they choose, but by how well they understand systems, trade-offs, and real-world constraints. Knowing when to use Java, when to use Python, and how they fit together is far more valuable than arguing which one is better. Learn Java and Python with Applats. If you want to go deeper into Java or Python with a structured, practical approach, Applats offers comprehensive courses designed for real-world use. Our courses focus on core language fundamentals, backend and system-level usage, real-world examples and projects, career-oriented learning paths. Whether you are building enterprise backends with Java or working on data, automation, and AI workflows with Python, the goal is not just to learn syntax, but to understand how these languages are used in production systems. Explore Applats courses. You can explore our full range of Java and Python courses at globe https://uplats.com. Applats is a global technology learning platform focused on AI, cloud, data, DevOps, and modern software careers, helping professionals build future-ready skills with clarity and depth.